different shape is there. So today in our class is also learn about shapes. Okay, the shapes are two types is there. Shapes are how many types is there? Two types is there. Shapes are two types. So the first one is flat shape. Another one is solid shape. Shapes are two types is there. The first one is flat shape. Then another one is solid shapes. Then now some examples of flat shape. Then some examples of solid shapes. So see the classroom. Okay. The first one example is flat shape is this square. Square, rectangle, then triangle, the fourth one is circle. These all shapes are examples of flat shape. Then examples of solid shape is the cube, cuboid, cone, sphere, flat shape. First one is what? Square. Yes, the square. Anyone know this square? Yes, okay. That is square. Everyone, you draw the picture for in a note. Okay. Yes, that is square. What is this? That is square. The square, it has 4 lines. Yes. How many lines for in a square? 4 lines for in a square. Yes, here each and every line is called a side. Each and every line is called a side. What is this? This line is also called in a side. This line is also called in a side. The next one, this line is also called in a side. Here top of the lines also called in a side. What is now the flat lines? The flat lines everyone called in a side. Okay, so the lines are joining the one place is called corner. The two lines are joining the place. The two lines are joining the place is called a corner. The two lines are joining the place is called a corner. What is this? Corner. Everyone, you see in your home, the two walls are joining the place is called a corner. Okay, you go and check in your home how many corners is there. You go and check it. Yes, the same one that you imagine, that is one wall. Then here one wall. The both wall is joining the place is called a corner. Okay. Yes. Now, what is the features of square? What is the features of square? Square means that it has a how many sides is there? Square has how many sides is there? Everyone, you count. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many sides is there? it has 4 sides. How many sides have a square? It has 4 sides. It has 4 sides. The next feature is how many corner is there? How many corner is there? This figure. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many corners do you see in this picture? 4 corners. So it has 4 corner. Yes. Next one is square has all sides are equal. That is very, very important. Square only, all sides are equal. How many sides equal for? How many sides equal for the square? 4 sides. You see, same length. Here also same length. Then up and down also you see same length. So that is called a square. Otherwise, different size of you draw this like you draw it. That is called in a rectangle. So the 4 sides are equal. That is called in a square. So next one is important point is what? It has all sides. Okay. So what is the features of square? It has 4 sides, then 4 corners, then all sides are equal. All sides are equal. The 4 sides are equal. That is features of square. That is square. It has, you see here, all sides are equal. The 4 sides are equal. Then 1 corner, 2 corners, third one, the 4th. So it has 4 corners. The all side, that is 1 side, 2, 3, then 4. That is square features. Okay. Yes. The next one goes to rectangle. Next one is what? Rectangle. Yes. Another one. Anyone you see the square box in your daily life? Anyone? Yes. Everyone like in a chess? Everyone like in a game in a chess? Yes. The chessboard have many square boxes there. The chessboard have many square boxes there. Every square box is it same side, say 4 sides, 4 corners and equal place is the square. Yes, the next one is rectangle. Second one is rectangle. The rectangle is how is it draw? You draw this. Everyone draw in your note for in a rectangle. Yes, the rectangle is what? The already square is the 4 sides. So same this also rectangle is also same one. 4 side is there. 1, 2, 3, 4. It has also 4 sides. Then same line. The 2 lines. The meeting. That point is called a corner. So this is also 4 sides and 4 corners. Everyone label the side for in a rectangle. Side with side. Yes. Then next you label the corner. Yes, corner. Yes, that is corner. Yes. Now, how many sides is there? You count it. one, one, two, three, four. The rectangles also four side is the next corner also four corner is there. It has also same look like a square. Four corners and four sides. Next one is the square has all sides are equal, but rectangle has opposite sides only equal. What is this? The rectangle only opposite sides only equal. Square has all sides are equal. You see here the length. See here, up and down only the length of the same, but left and right that side the both lines are unequal. That is, that length is long, but that is shorter. So that is opposite sides are equal. Opposite sides are equal for in a rectangle. See here, opposite sides are equal, length and breadth. So that is called a rectangle. Okay. Then see the picture. The rectangle here. You see the how many? See same look. This like 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 corner is there. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 corner. Same one. One side is 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 side is there. See here. This like opposite sides are equal. You see the blackboard. So you see up and down length only equal. See here left and right length you see that is equal. So opposite sides only equal for the rectangle. Okay. Any example for in a rectangle? Yes. This blackboard also rectangle. LCD TV also rectangle shape. So different objects also the examples of rectangle is there. The next one is, the third one is triangle. The third one is triangle. Yes, now everyone draw the triangle. Here also you now only learn for inline lines. So here see here also one sleeping line is there, then two slanting line is there. Make a triangle. Okay, triangle have a two slanting line, then one sleeping line. Both lines make a triangle. Yes, the triangle has a how many corners and how many side is there. Yes, see here how many side? 1, 2, 3. Triangle have how many side? 3 side. 1, 2, 3. Next, it has how many corner? How many corner? 1, 2, 3. How many corner? 3 corner for a triangle. Rectangle and square have a 4 corner. Triangle have a 3 corners. Is okay. So it has a 3. Now everyone label the side and corner for the triangle. Okay. Yes. That is side. Label it everyone. Side. Side. Next, label the corner. Okay. Corner. Corner. Okay. How many corner? 1, 2, 3. It has a 3 corner and 3 side. Okay. So it has a different size of triangle is there. So that triangle every side is equal. First in your higher class you different size of triangles also you learn it. Okay, now see that the same size of triangle only learn this class. Okay, yes. Any example for in a triangle shape? Anyone? Yes. The triangle shape is a everyone you cross the road that the corner traffic sign is there. Anyone you see the road, the traffic sign? Here you cross the road that side, zebra crossing is there. The traffic sign is drawn in this like only. This like you draw it here. Zebra crossing is there. You draw this likes of picture. Then any turn, you turn left and right also. That also the board is traffic. This like only. Turn left. Then turn right. Go straight. This like of triangle only, using the traffic signs also. Then everyone will like in a pizza. Pizza also what shape? Then the same one triangle. Everyone like in a samosa, in a canteen, that also what shape? That is triangle shape. So many objects are triangle shapes there. You identify 10 objects, write in a note for in a triangle. Okay. The next one is any other flat shape is there? Anyone? Yes. What is this? Circle. Next one is circle. Yes. That is circle has how many lines? How many lines? No lines. That is make a curved lines only, not a straight line using for in a circle. That only using in a curved lines. How many curved lines? Okay, that circle has a one curved lines. It has any corner is there in a circle? Circle has any corner? Any lines are joining? No. So it has no corner. It has no corner. Then it has any side? No. So here also no side is there. That is curved line. So curved shape only is there. So it has a no corner and no side. It has no side. That is feature for circle. Any example for any circle object? Circle? Anyone guess? Yes, bangle also. Then yes, cloth. Then anyone? Yes, ball. Every object have a different shapes there. There is a flat shape. Is today class see the flat shape. That is features also see. Now I draw the table. Everyone you copy the table. Shapes, how many sides, how many corners. Okay, so first shapes, side, corner. Yes, the first one is what? First one is square. It has how many side? How many? 4. Yes. 4 side. How many corner? 4 corner. Yes, okay. Next one is rectangle. It has how many corner? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 corner. How many sides? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 sides. Next one is triangle. Next one is triangle. Yes. How many sides is there? 1, 2, 3. 3 side. How many corner? 3 corner. Next one is circle. no corner, no side. Matchstick, no, it has a curved lines. It has curved lines, so that didn't use for in a matchsticks. The other three flat shapes are using in a matchsticks. So these all one using in a straight lines. Straight lines means slanting line, sleeping lines. Another one is slanting line. So that is curved line. So didn't use for in a matchsticks. Okay. So that is features and see here. So here some shapes already I draw it and paste it. See rectangle, square already see. Next one is circle. Circle also any already now only you see. Circle also no corner, no side. Yes. Next one is what? Semicircle. The circle is half of the call is in a semicircle. It has a curved lines also one is there. Another one is straight lines also is there. That also flat shape. Semicircle also called a flat shape. Next one is triangle. Triangle also how many sides is there? 3 sides. 1, 2, 3. 3 sides. Then 3 corner. Next one is diamond. Everyone you know the diamond? Yes, the diamond also for example of the flat shape that everyone you using within a lines only. So that also that is how many sides is there now? 1, 2, 3, then 4. 4 sides is there. Next one is 4 corners also is there for in a diamond. So this also example of the flat shape. Okay, this lesson. What is today learn the lines. Lines and shapes. Yes, lines. 2 types is the straight lines, curved lines. Straight lines are how many? How many types is there? Standing line, sleeping line, slanting lines. Okay. So how many ways to draw in a standing lines? Only one way. How many ways to draw in a sleeping line? Only one way. But slanting line is 2 ways to draw it. Yes. Next one is shapes. Today see the flat shape only. Next class I explain about the solid shapes. What are the examples of flat shape? Square, rectangle, circle, semicircle, diamond, etc. So triangle. These are all one examples for in a flat shape. Then every shapes have a features also. Every shapes have a features also. Features means how many sides is there, how many corners is there, size of length equal or unequal. This everyone learn for this in a lesson. Okay, understand everyone? Yes, everyone copy it. Okay, you do, everyone you do in your home. How many different objects in your home available. You go and count the how many 10 objects for in a circle.